Do we know Facebook Messenger has started a new option? Let's see what it is. This option is to make your conversations more stylish. So let's start. I will open an ID and write something like hello. So I want to send this text in stylishly. So you can see that when I will write here and the right side a search box are there. So press this one and how to send it, like a love sign or a fire site or a gift site. Like I'll send it in a love site. Okay, then you can see that if I send it in different way, like this way. Okay, so the different way. Okay, and the last one, more attractive one. The gift one, that means the gift box. Choose this one. The other people, when press it, then he or she will receive it, your text, just like that. Stay with us for more videos. Assalamu alaikum.